Hey everyone, Steven Smith here with MarineMax and Stuart. Wanted to do a walkthrough video today on a new Sea Ray 280 SLX outboard that just showed up here. Show you guys some of the great features. This is a stunning brand new 2026. We've got a nice windlass at the bow with a freshwater rinse down. It's a shower there so you can rinse off the windlass or when you reboard from the front. Under both of these seats here, we've got nice storage, access to your windlass. Down in the ski locker down there is another little storage area. And then there's a very innovative storage compartment here for your tables and your bow filler cushion. Everything stores there behind the helm. You've got drop-down armrests up here in the bow. Also LED lighting all throughout the boat. We have a block-off wind door here. For those cooler evenings, you can close the windshield, block off the wind to the cockpit. There's a nice trash can built in right here. Your ignition controls are up there as well. As we move over to the head, this boat is equipped with a vacuum flush head. This will be down into a holding tank. You've got a freshwater sink in there as well. The ability to rinse off. Nice glove box here on the top for wallet, keys, some personal items there. On the passenger side of the boat, you've got USB controls, cup holders, nice handhold. This boat is equipped with the premium audio package, so it has the additional subwoofer and amplifiers. Moving over towards the helm, you have a nice double wide helm seat. Both of these seats will swivel to the cockpit as well. We have the upgraded 12-inch screens here, so we have a pair of 12-inch SIMRADs. You've got your Fusion audio control here, places for your phone. The captain also has a wireless phone charger there. This boat is going to be equipped with the Mercury joystick piloting, including autopilot and skyhook. You've got your trim tab controls here, a nice tilt steering wheel, windlass controls, and your throttle there as well. Moving back to the cockpit, you've got a nice long L-shaped seating area here with hinged storage access to our large storage compartment. You also have a cockpit table and bow table, which we showed you where those store earlier. This boat is equipped with the cockpit refrigerator. This will be a 12-volt fridge on the house battery. You've got more storage here. This is a great spot for a soft-sided Yeti cooler or something similar. Another built-in cooler there. This is going to be equipped with the upgraded power tower. This is an articulating tower that comes all the way down to the windshield and has a manual rear sunshade as well. So this can be dropped down in inclement weather and you can run with it at that. We've got our nice storage compartment here. Access to the bilge. This is going to be where you have service access, all your batteries, fuse panels, your battery charger, through-hole transducer and other fittings, etc. there. If we move to the transom, in the walkthrough here, we've got a small sandbar cooler. You've got controls for your audio, USB chargers for the people on the sun pad. There is another freshwater shower here that you can use to rinse off at the sandbar. We call this a little sandbar cooler as well, big enough for a bag of ice and a few beverages, just so you don't have to keep coming in and out of the back of the boat. And then we also have our large pass-through storage compartment here. This is great for those water toys, skis, tubes, things like that. There's also a 12-volt receptacle here, so you could use an inflator if needed. We have rear-facing speakers, and all of this is powered by our twin 250 horsepower V8 Mercuries. This is a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX here at MarineMax and Stuart. My name is Steven Smith. Come see us today.